Right, so I'm not sure if you remember, but going back to when I first started doing this channel, I built an electric scooter. Actually, I built two. The second one I built was a Razor E300, and my original plan was to buy a Xiaomi M365 and replace all of the running gear, so the motor, controller, display, and do it that way. Unfortunately, after hours and hours of messing about, I couldn't actually do that. I managed to put a front motor on the front of the Razor, but not anything else. I couldn't use a controller and I couldn't use a display. Doing the scooters I've been building the last couple of weeks, I managed to buy two scrap ones and make one good one out of it. And as I was about to throw away the old one of the scrap ones that I couldn't do anything with, I realised that a lot of the parts on it was still working, like the display and the handlebars, throttle, everything was working on it. That got me thinking. So I dug out the old scooter that I originally wanted to do, the E300, and started cutting it up and chopping it up and seeing what I could do. I actually got it working. So I've made an Razor E300 mixed with an AOVO scooter. So this is it. This is my Razor E300, but it's got a front motor, so it runs off of a front brushless motor. But look at this, it's actually got the handlebars, brake cable, display, throttle from an AOVO scooter. I've basically, it joins here, but it looks pretty cool. I love this cable deck, that makes it look wicked. This is the brake caliper from an M365 with the brake discs. That's something that you don't normally get on a Razor, and it just looks like a cool bike, scooter, sorry. And the best bit is it works. It links up to my phone via Bluetooth and does everything it needs to do. It's aggressive. This one actually says it goes, I'm yet to test drive it, but this one says that it goes 28 mile an hour. And it also brakes. Yeah, so the brake at the front will brake the front wheel when you brake. So it's got calipers, so it's got front and back brakes, which is kind of cool. This one I built and I was going to sell it, and then I wasn't going to sell it. Then I did sell it, and then the guy was like, I don't know how to do it, because I wanted to sell it as it was, like a project for someone, and he was like, I don't know what to do. He's not very mechanically minded, neither am I really, but I just give anything a go. So he said, would I mind doing it for him? And I couldn't get it to work, and it's been doing my head in for months. And fair play to the bloke, it's been really cool. But I've got loads of projects going on, so it is not the top of my agenda, but I think I've done it all but take it for a test drive. But it's just a cool scooter. It's different. So what I've done as well, it's a lot higher than your normal scooters. I'll show you. This is a normal scooter. You can see the difference between the two. It's like 6 inches higher. So if you're tall like me, that's why I'm always banging my head in this stupid shed. You're tall like me, this is even better for